like I'm high right now, but I'm literally sober, and that's how I feel. Like, that's how good I feel after getting in the sauna. Hi goddesses, good morning. So today what I'm going to be doing is taking care of my body and taking care of myself. So I'm going to be going to the sauna today. So I'm so grateful for where I live, because where I live right now, there is a sauna that's on the premises. So I'm trying to use it a lot more consistently. I have to remind myself, like, when you start a new habit, you have to like take baby steps. Okay, like I want to get to a point where I'm like going to the sauna like every day. But if I have my lashes done, I know I can't do that. And on top of that, if I have my hair done, I know I can't do that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The reason that I'm going to the sauna is because I'm going to be doing my lashes later. So definitely stay tuned for that video. If the video is uploaded, I will put it up above or in the link down below. But definitely stay tuned because I will be doing a lash tutorial. So with that being said, I'm just going to go like kind of wash my face and brush my teeth right now. And we're going to head over to the sauna. And I'm probably going to be in there for like a good hour. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be wearing this as my top, my bottoms. I'm going to be bringing all 3 of my journals. And then I have my towel. I wanted to show y'all new contraction of my tripod. I think this is really cute. I bought it from Target for like $15. It was on sale. So I'm actually going to be doing my yoga outside. When I turn on the sauna, I'll explain everything when I go outside and whatnot. But to turn on the sauna, I have to wait a little bit. So I'm going to journal and I'm going to do some yoga when we get outside. So let's go.
It's no fun, always working.
I just turned on the sauna, raining outside. We're gonna see if I can get some like stretches in as well as journaling. If it's about to rain, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. The rain kind of stopped, but it, you know, it's Florida, so it picks up, it slows down. So it's kind of slow right now. I'm gonna like stretch out real quick over here, and then I'll probably like journal for a little bit, and then yeah. I'm in the bathroom right now. I decided to come in here because I only have like about like 15 minutes. Swear to God, I just walked in here and it started pouring outside. Divine timing. So I'm gonna journal in my manifestation journal, and I wanted to show y'all, here's my next page, where in this page I'm writing down my affirmations. And I thought it was so perfect because doing the sauna, this section right here is like setting intentions. What am I grateful for and what are you releasing? So I'm gonna explain like pretty much what I do when I get into the sauna and what has helped me tremendously on like my healing journey. So while I'm in the sauna, I like to meditate. Being in a dark place, I realize that I'm able to really tap into these different variations of myself, like my childlike self, the parts of me that may be angry, like my like ego side and stuff like that, where I can sit down while meditating and just face them and also see them and not get attached to them. That's why I want to do this a little bit more consistently, because when I was doing it, it really helped me unlock a lot of part of myself where I was holding back. And ever since doing this meditation while being in the sauna room in silence, I'm not playing any music. It's literally pure silence. Depending on who you are, it can be a little scary. My thing is, it allows me to be true to myself and also acknowledge parts of me that, one, I'm not hiding away from. I think one of the biggest things that a lot of people get confused about when it comes to like meditation, you're not silencing the mind. I want to make that clear. You're not silencing the mind, listening to the mind, but you're not attaching to it. So those different variations of myself that will come up and would speak to me, whether they were angry or upset with me or happy with me or whatever the case is, I'm observing. And that's the biggest thing. So it's really great that I'm about to get into the sauna and this is the page. So I'm about to set my intentions on why I'm here, as well as saying what I am grateful for, and then what I am releasing in this session. I am completely sweaty. I can tell you right now that I feel like a lot of tension that I've been having in my head. I've been having a lot of headaches. Just being in there, meditating, relaxing, like I feel so much better already. I'm gonna see what the weather's like outside. I usually take a dip in the pool because ice baths are really good for your body as well. It gives you a shock. So I like to dip in the pool before I go into the house. So we're gonna see what the weather's like, and then we're gonna probably jump in the pool, and then we're gonna go in the house. So I'm back in the house now, and bro, when I was walking with my eyes closed, like when I say I feel so relaxed and just feeling just transformative literally just popped into my head. Like I feel so good. When I say like the tension that I've been having in my body for a minute, and like it just feels like so much has like just released off. Like I feel so wealthy within myself, within my soul, within my body. And every time I do it, I always come out replenished. So, and I know it's really good for your skin. It also like, well, the sneeze, it will definitely make you hungry. So I just ate some food, and I'm not sleepy, by the way. I just want to make this clear. Like I'm not sleepy. I know my like eyes are like low gaze, but that's because I'm just like chill. Like I'm high right now, but I'm literally sober, and that's how I feel. Like that's how good I feel after getting in the sauna. Like I look like I'm high, but I'm literally just high off of this sauna, like just feeling good and feeling amazing. So with that all being said, I hope you goddesses enjoyed this video. If you are someone that is thinking about like going to a sauna and you do find one, what is your experience like? How do you feel after you go to the sauna? Or even like, you know, wherever you go, if you find like a place that has like baths and it has sauna, like how do y'all feel? Because when I do it, I feel really, really good. I feel so much releasing off my body. So with that being said, I love you goddesses. Do not forget to love on that like button, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have yet to. Love you goddesses, and see you next time. Bye.